Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to talk about this stunning semi-chiffon saree with contrast running work and the brush print ari work and kardana mirror work and the extra dimension of elegance and to this saree. And the best part, its price at just only 1360. I love how the semi-chiffon fabric draped beautifully and feels lightweight and making it perfect for any occasion. The contrasting running work at a pop of color and texture, while the brush print ari work gives it a unique touch. And let's not forget about the intricate kardana mirror work, which add a touch of sparkle and shine. What I appreciate about this saree is that versatile, and you can dress it up with some statement jewelry and heels for a formal event, or keep it casual with sandal and minimal accessories. Either way, you will look absolutely stunning. Overall, I highly recommended this semi-chiffon saree, contrasting running work, brush print ari work, and kardana mirror work. Its price affordably and will make you feel confident and elegant no matter where you go. Thank you for turning. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I say link is in description box, you can check it out. And I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video and your support for me being a part of my journey. And I couldn't do it without you, and creating content is something that I am truly passionate about it, and it's mean the world to me, and that you guys enjoy it too. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you for watching my video.